This video will unveil the top databases for web applications in 2024. MongoDB, the pioneer in NoSQL databases, perfect for handling document data. Simple, efficient, and a game changer. MySQL - the go-to for stability, robustness, and maturity. Ideal for web development solutions. Microsoft SQL Server, a multi-model database supporting structured, semi-structured, and spatial data. A reliable choice for both on-premise and cloud environments. PostgreSQL, a robust system written in C, is widely used by businesses dealing with massive amounts of data. Gaming apps, automation tools, and domain registrations, PostgreSQL handles it all. Neo4j, an open-source graph database revolutionizing data representation. Its unique structure and Cypher query language make it a top choice for intricate relationships. Want to explore more databases for web applications? Visit ValueCoders blog at www.valuecoders.com/blog.